What is the one HVAC tool that you would want for Christmas? There's a few things that I feel like we can do better, and sometimes it's just the simple things, like a simple random act of kindness. This is my small way to give back, okay? A few months ago, I did a social media post, and I just asked a simple question on social media. Hey, have you ever done any random acts of kindness? Have you ever given back to someone, you know, without expecting anything in return? I imagine that majority of the people had no idea and thought it was just a simple media post, but there was more motive to it. Of course, I loved the answers. And for the entire, I'd say this entire year, I've been talking about on the closing words of my video, you know, how easy it is just to do a simple random act of kindness. It's so easy to make someone's day change for the better, you know, sometimes. Now, not always, but sometimes, you know, something as simple as buying someone's coffee, you know, holding a door open for someone, carrying someone's groceries. There's so many different ways that we can do it. We can go super complex and super generous. It can be so simple, but the easiest way, in my opinion, to change someone's day is just be kind to them, right? You never know what people are going through. You know, you guys don't know what I'm going through on a daily, right? Because I probably don't portray that or explain that in my videos, right? But I deal with stuff just like everybody else, okay? I don't think my problems are any worse or any better than anybody else's. We all deal with our own struggles, right? So when I posted that social media post, I had a motive, right? And of course, I knew that I couldn't pick everybody. We had so many amazing answers. And let me say too that I did this last year where I wanted to do an end of the year giveaway. Okay, last year was pretty obvious. I gave away a bunch of tools on social media. This year I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to go at it a different way, right? Because I kind of had a feeling that a lot of people out there were expecting me to do an end of the year giveaway, and so I kind of wanted it to be something they weren't expecting, right? So just a simple post on social media asking if you've done any random acts of kindness. And then on top of that, I reached out to a bunch of my friends, right? Other YouTube channels, other creators. So I reached out to my buddies, Brett and Kevin over at the Advanced Refrigeration Podcast, and I asked them to ask on their social platforms the same question. Then I reached out to my buddy Holden at the HVAC Time YouTube channel. I reached out to my buddy Rick at the HVACR Survival channel. And of course, I reached out to my buddies Adam, Joe, Bill, over at the HVAC Overtime YouTube channel. And together, all of us posted on our different social media platforms the same question. Then what I did was I scoured those posts. And of course, I couldn't pick everybody, okay? So I could only pick a few people because of the budget that I had, but I was able to pick 20 people, okay? And to those 20 people, what we are gonna do is I was able to budget $6,000 of my own money, right? And I was able to reach out to a partner of mine, True Tech Tools, and they donated $2,000. And what we're able to do is provide $400 gift cards to 20 unsuspecting people. Okay, it's just my little way of giving back, a random act of kindness. All right. Now, of course, I wish I could have given gift cards to everybody that answered these questions, but I was only able to pick 20 within this budget. But hey, maybe next year. Let's see if this thing can grow legs and get bigger. It got bigger certainly since the previous year, so let's see if we can continue this, okay? So I picked 20 unsuspecting people. I'm going to go ahead and read their names right now, but I do have to say thank you so very much to my partner TrueTech Tools. If you guys are interested in purchasing any HVACR tools, check out TrueTechTools.com, okay? They have a great website. If you're interested in purchasing anything, if you like the tools they have or the prices that they have, I actually have a discount code for you. Big picture, one word, that is my offer code. I get a small commission when you do use that offer code, okay? But it'll get you an 8% discount on your order, okay? So check out TrueTechTools.com. I really do like their stuff, and I'm so thankful to you guys at TrueTech Tools for helping me out with this little project that I had, this end of the year giveaway that I wanted to do, okay? So I have to say thank you to all my viewers too, okay? You guys are the ones that support the channel. When you guys buy merchandise from my website at hvacrvideos.com, when you support the channel via Patreon, via PayPal, via YouTube channel memberships, or something as simple as just watching the videos, okay? There's so many of you, and I'm so thankful. I'm just an HVACR service technician that likes to share the little bit of knowledge that I have. And it just humbles me to know that you guys like to watch that content. So this is my small little random act of kindness to be able to give back to you guys, okay? Of course, I truly wish I could have given out more, but this is all that we had, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get on with the names, all right? So forgive me if I butcher your name. I'm going to do my best because there's a lot of different names here, okay? So Jeff Montalvo, Joe Kirby, Robert Reyes, Josh Taylor, Jason Johnson, Jennifer from the HVAC Chicks, Matt Tucker, Bobby DeSano, Chris Caldwell, Zenobio Aguilera, Bobby Tran, Joseph Morgan, Joel Bovey, Jeremy Arntzen, Sean Michael, Jermaine Gorey, Matt Rudolph, John Barnett, Winston Wright, and Tony Williams. Okay, now I've already contacted all of you guys in that little message or email that I sent to you, asking if I could include your submission into my video. They didn't know what they were being included in. I just wanted to start a dialogue. That way I had a line of communication already. So I will contact you guys with the details. You will all be getting a $400 TrueTech Tools gift card that you guys can use for whatever you want. I have to say thank you again to all of my supporters and all my viewers. Again, I wish I could have done this for everybody, but unfortunately I could only pick 20 this time. And again, thank you so very much to TrueTech Tools. And guys, please, just a little bit of kindness. That's all we got to do. I would just imagine it can change someone's day for the better. Who knows what they're going through? Just simply holding a door open, buying a coffee, whatever you can do. Just a random act of kindness. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And we will catch you guys on the next one.